Hi everyone, I am Tracy Pierce, and today we are visiting this gorgeous coastal home that we did along the Jersey Shore. I invite you to take a tour with myself and my design team at Pierce Design Group. Hi, I am here to give you a tour of this gorgeous kitchen we did. Very monochromatic color scheme. We focused on super durable finishes here with the homeowner. We were going for very coastal elements. I loved to add the texture of these stunning pendant lights that have a nice weave to it. It reminded us of old fishing baskets. So this was definitely a great space for the family to gather and all their guests, as well as we incorporated this gorgeous coffee bar area. So we continued the monochromatic color scheme with this very undulated textured light gray tile. Again, tied in the wood tone from the kitchen island, and we brought it up, elevated that tone a little higher in the range hood. So we are super pleased on how this kitchen turned out. My design team and I worked very hard on this project, and I'd love to continue the tour throughout the home.
So basically this bathroom kind of took inspiration from a typical Jersey Shore color palette. So we have a lot of these fun kind of blue, green, earthier colors in here, even with these fun pops of red. We loved how this contrasted the super moody tile we did in the bathroom. This is a boys' bathroom, so we tried to keep it a little bit more masculine. But we also loved that we were able to incorporate a lot of lighter tones to kind of play off that more coastal vibe that we were going for. So in this vanity area, I loved that we were able to carry over some of those more neutral tones, but we were able to keep it a little bit more masculine with some of the fixtures and the hardware choices. It is a boys' bathroom, so we did want to come back to those kind of simple looking features with the cabinet handles and all of those extra details.
We are now in the bunk room, and what I really love about this room is that it's meant for kids, and so it creates a playful but also calm and home feel. We can really tie that in here using the white oak and tying in the modernness with the black metal elements. This room is meant for kids or guests to communicate and talk after a long day at the beach, and we tried to incorporate that by using some playful art and the shiplap to really show the coastal but also home feel. The one thing I love most about this bunk is the ladder. This ladder divides the space and creates a function for each person to sleep, while also encouraging that family dynamic and allowing each person to communicate.
So here we are in the master bedroom. Something really special about this master bedroom is that we decided we needed to bring the coastal environment inside. So an example of this is the flooring, which is actually throughout the entire house, but you notice in the master as well, that it's super rustic and natural looking with the knots and the graining, and this kind of represents like the driftwood that you find on the beach, so it kind of brings that inside. Another thing is the master headboard that we picked. It is this gorgeous like reeding that is similar materials that you would find washed up on the beach that gives you that coastal feeling. And last but not least, the bedding that we chose is super natural, linen-y. It kind of reminds you of like a beach blanket that you would curl up on the beach in, but we brought it inside.